1 month? Hinayaan yung ganito? Of course, he's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, with regards to Grijaldo lang po. You mentioned about the leave, no, official leave of Grijaldo. That was, it will start November 25 to December 4.
Tama po, sir.
Okay, so that will be 9 days because of that special leave na 4, 3, 2 to 4. Tama?
8 days po, sir.
8 days, okay. Now, please, General, mamaya na po yan. Please submit to this committee that official document that indeed you allow Colonel Grijaldo to have an official leave for 8 days. That's number 1 po. How about the previous? The previous medical certificates or medical checkups that was made by Grijaldo. Did he inform the police or the PIAO?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have the documents for him
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
request letter? Huwag niyong i-antidate, ha? Please submit to this committee because as mentioned by Chairman Abante, almost 1 month na po.
Will you,
Pag-submit niyo po. Then the motion that was made, amended motion by Congressman Flores, yung medical officer niyo po, dapat i-check siya. Kasi Mr. Chairman, because of these 3 excuse letter, it's all about medical excuse. Mr. Chairman, if Colonel Grijaldo is making a mockery of this hearing and some police officers in collusion of Colonel Grijaldo, I will not hesitate to cite him in contempt in this committee and all those PNP officials involved to face cases doon po sa Napolcom. Kasi po, supposedly kayo po 1 month, hinayaan yung ganito. Of course, he's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee. 3 hearing wala siya. Under po sa PIAO.
Thank you.
I hope you will submit those documents today. General.
if I may, sir.
Yes.
We are helping. We are helping.
Sandali
sir.
po. Can you submit those documents I mentioned today?
Yes, sir. We will submit po.
Or submit it today?
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
We are helping the committee, sir, in this endeavor. Actually, sir, when you receive the notice that there is a Quadcom hearing for today, I canceled the leave for November 27, just for this purpose, po, sir.
You cancel what?
The leave, po, sir.
Your leave?
No, sir, the leave of Colonel Grijaldo.
Also, you cancel all the leaves.
Only for this November 27, po.
So, he's not on leave.
He is not, sir, because he...
Okay,
but
now, General, you check. Because the latest excuse letter of Colonel Grijaldo is dated ano po? November 23.
26.
Saan ba yun?
26.
Okay, November 26. But,
3 days.
that was 3 days ago. But,
Yesterday.
yesterday. But, ito, Jenap, please take note of this. But the date of the medical request of his doctor was dated 11/23/2024. Eh baka pati kayo, niloloko nyo na. Paki-check lang po.
yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.